Good morning, students. Students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Here, your math teacher Aarti Kalra is going to teach you chapter number 10, percentage. So, before starting, just going to do the theoretical part. In that, we are going to learn what is percentage. Got it? Now, concept of percentage and its conversion. The term percent is derived from the two Latin word that is per centum, which means per hundred or out of hundred. A percent is a fraction with hundred as its denominator, like by hundred. When the fraction is expressed in the percent form, it is called percentage. Percentage symbol is denoted by the symbol that is two dots and one slash. Read as percent. Look at the squares in the figure. There are 100 squares out of which one is shaded and the remaining 99 are white. We say that 1 out of 100 square is shaded or 1% of the square are shaded. Here 5 out of 100, so 5 upon 100, it is 500. 25 upon 100, it is 25%. 53 upon 100, it is 53%. Now, by a certain percent, we mean that many hundreds are there. So when we convert them, it is 40% it is written. So we will do 40 upon 100. Then we will do in our practice session also. In that we are going to make it done by by converting percentage into decimal, by converting fraction into percentage. Likewise in our 10.1 exercise. Okay, students. Good morning, students of class 5. Here, your math teacher Aarti Kalra is going to teach you chapter number 10.1. It is related to percentage. So, see that whatever shaded part is there, this is the percentage of that part. So, here, how many they are? They are 34 in number. So, 34 percentage. 34%. After that, this is only 10. So it is 10%. Okay. Now next are H is given. So we have now they are 24 in number. So it is 24 percentage. Now convert the following percent into fraction in the lowest term. Lowest term means you have to put division sign, fraction sign, that is 12 upon 100. 100 will come down. When you make it in a lowest term, the answer of 12 upon 100 is 3 upon 25. Okay, just put the sign of fraction also. 3 upon 25 is the answer of this one. Now, 25 upon 100 is 1 upon 4. It is in the fraction form. 175 upon 100 is 7 upon 4. And if we want to multiply, we have to when we want to divide, we have to multiply. So answer will come here. 3 upon 5 into 100 into 1 upon 100 is 3 upon 500. So this is the fraction of percentage. Every time you have to multiply and divide with 100 only. So 5 upon 8 into 1 upon 100 is 1 upon 160. Now 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 200 in the lowest term. 18% is 9 upon 50. 9 whole number 1 upon 2 means, first of all you have to make it in a proper fraction, then answer will come in 19 upon 200. Okay, so this is the part of fraction. Now if we want to make it in decimal, what you are going to do is, you just think that 1 is the decimal and 2 zeros are the numbers of that behind. So 0.24 is the answer. 0.75 is the answer. 0.08 is the answer. 1.70 is the answer of this question. When it is already given 1 point, then what we are going to do is, so convert the following percentage into decimal. If we want to make it decimal, just put one dot, two digits before you have to put dots. Okay, so here 0.24 is the answer, 0.75, 0.08 will be the answer, 1.70, 0.322, 0.755, 0.73, and this is 0.009 is the answer of that number. Now reduce the following fraction into percentage. For this you have to reduce it to the get the fraction of that number. Okay students, now the fraction is given and we have to convert into percentage. So what we are going to do is, we have to multiply with 100. So whenever it is given, what you have to do is just multiply with 100. You will get the answer in percentage into 100. So when you multiply 2 upon 5 into 100, you will get 40%. 5 upon 8 percentage will be 62.5%. 14 upon 25 will be 56%. 41 upon 50 will be 82%. And 7 upon 100 will be 7% only. 2 whole number 3 upon 10, it will be 23 upon 10. So its answer will be 230%. Here its answer will be 225. Then it is 430%. Likewise, we will do the decimals to percentage also. In that 0.7 is given. So what we have to do is, we have to do the multiplication of that number. Then we will get the answer. Likewise, you have to do the decimals to percentage. When you do that, you have to see the points. So it is going to be multiplied with 100 and then answer will come 70%. Here it will come 28%, here 28%, 58% and 62% 0.5. It is like that only. So likewise, you are going to do all the exercises properly. So students, we have come to 10.2 exercise. In that 15% of 300 we have to take out. If we want to take out, you have to do 300 divided by 100, and then whatever is the answer, you have to, of means multiply, you have to multiply with that. So 3 is the answer. When we get after dividing from 100, the answer will come 3. 15 3s are 45. Likewise, 20 upon 100 into 450, the answer will come 45 into 2. So it is 90. 8 upon 100 into 70 is 5.6. 34 upon 100 into 130 is 46.92. 73 upon 100 into 204 is 148.9292. 30%, 30 upon 100 into 1200 is 360. Okay, now we will do second point, that is how much is. So, in that, how much is 10% of 1 meter is 0.1 meter. 10% of 1 rupee is 10 paisa. 20% of 3 kg is 0.6 kg. 7% of 100 gram is 7 gram. Okay, and 50% of 8 kilometer is 4 kilometer. 5% of 6 liter is 0.3 liter. Now we will do what percentage is 45 of 135 is, when we do 100 multiplication, then we will get the answer. So students, when we want to do percentage of that one, that is 45 of 35 means, of means always multiply. So 45 into 100 upon 135 is 33.33. 10 upon 60, 10 of 60 is 10 into 100 upon 60. So answer will come 16.66%. So here 20%, here 5%, and here 16% is the answer of this question. So students, 10.3 exercise is all about word problems that are in decorating house. 1560 bulbs were used. 15% of them were red. So how many red bulbs were used to decorate the house? You just take out 15% of 1560. The answer will come 2034 red bulbs. This is the answer. Now, out of the total distance of 1200 kilometer, Ram traveled 40% or by road. So for road, we have to take out the percentage, and 40% is already given. So 40% of 1200 kilometers is 480 kilometer, and rest by bus is 720 kilometer. This is the answer. Now there were 24 pieces of apples in a plate. Faisal ate 18 of them. So 18 upon 24, what percentage of the following apples did he eat? In 200, then you will get the answer. Now, in an orchard, there are 12 apples tree, guava tree, 11 and 8 bananas tree. What percentage of apple tree are there in the orchard? So, you have to make it plus, and then apple tree is going to be percentage. You have to take out the percentage also. Now, Jaya weighed 60 kg. Her brother weighed 20% more. What is the weight of her brother? So 20% of 60, you have to take out the percentage, and then when you add, you will get the answer. Now, in examination, 60 students appeared. Of them, 24 passed. So 24 upon 60. Rest were failed. What were the percentage of student passed? What percent of the student failed? You have to take out the percentage of all the students that are failed and that are passed likewise. Now we have come to an end, that is chapter checker. See, 40% is expressed in decimal as 0.4. Okay, so in that you have to divide with 100. 1 upon 4 is expressed in the percentage as 25 into 100 is 25. 32% in fraction can be written as 8 upon 25. You have to divide by 100. 20% of 20, it is 4. 0.67 can be expressed in percentage as 67%, like this. So students, if we want to do into percentage, we have to multiply with 100. 3 upon 4 into 100, answer will come 75%. 5 upon 12 into 100, answer will come 41.66%. 0.26 is going to be erased, and 26% will be the answer. And before 2 decimal, it is going to be added 204.3 percentage. Now fractions, if we want to do the fraction, if it can be in a lowest term also. 54 upon 100, 60 upon 100, 32 upon 100, 315 upon 100. And if we want to do in decimal, we have to put one decimal before two digits. So 73 means 0.73, 95% means 0.95, 0.69 and 2.89 is the answer. Now it is asked which of the two is more, 10% of 50 or 50% of 8. So 50% of 8 is 4 and 10% of 50 is 5. So 5 is more. So just tick it. 20% of 450 is 90 and 40% of 230 is 92. So this is bigger. What percentage of 65 into 13 is 20? Now, what percent of 200 gram is 10 kg? 10 gram is 5%. Now, solve the following. What problems are there? Lakshmi goes to market with 132 rupees. She spends 75 of her money in the market. How much money is left with her? So you have to take out the 70%, 75% of 132. Okay. Now, a boy scored 950 marks out of 1000 marks in the examination. What percentage of the marks did he score? 950 upon 1000 into 100 is going to be done. Now, Vishal scored 32 out of 50, 32 upon 50, and Sunny scored 75 in the class test. Who, who scored higher marks and by what percentage? You have to take out the percentage of both in the class test. Now, a man's salary was 1250 per month. It is increased 1750 per month. What is the percentage increased in his value? You have to less the amount, then you have to take out the percentage. So students, here we have come to an end of our chapter. Hope you enjoyed this chapter. Bye for today. Have a good day, all of you.